Welcome to CCPTools. This video demonstrates how to use CCPTools mobile app to convert corrosion rate easily. Corrosion rates are commonly measured in MPY and millimeters per year. Other units include milliamps per square centimeter and grams per square meter per day. Converting between these units can be challenging and confusing, especially for less common ones. In CCPTools, you can convert between different units easily. Open CCPTools and navigate to the Unit Converter section. There, you will find the Corrosion Rate Conversion tab. If the corrosion rate is associated with steel or if steel is the primary element, you can use the first tab, which is the default tab. It is possible to select one of the following units: milliamps per square centimeter, millimeters per year, MPY, grams per square meter per day. In the top box, select your current unit, and in the second box, select the final unit for your corrosion rate. For example, 0.01 mm per year or 10 micrometers per year equals 0.394 MPY. Please note that the conversion ratio between millimeters per year and MPY is independent of the material type. An additional example is that a corrosion rate of 1 mm per year corresponds to a metal loss of 21.6 grams per square meter per day. For metals other than steel, such as copper, you should use the second tab. For each metal, enter the valence of the corrosion state, atomic weight, and density. For example, for copper, the valence might be 2, the atomic weight is 63.546 grams per mole, and the density is 8.96 grams per cubic centimeter. In the next step, CCPTools will calculate the coefficient. You only need to enter the value in the top box, select your current unit, and convert it to your desired corrosion rate. If you need to convert MPY to millimeters per year or vice versa, you can use the Steel tab for all materials since the conversion coefficient is independent of valence, atomic weight, and density. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.